one is gonna be your rough pocket. And the tool we're gonna use is gonna be 3/8 Boolean. 62,000 radius. We do not have 62,000. Radius is going to be 1/32 radius. Full nose end with 1/32 radius. Next, check this here. So if you look on the parameters, that's gonna be our 3/8 bolt, 30,000 radius. Surface parameter is gonna be 30,000, start to leave, and containment is gonna be to the center. And your rough parameters, we are going minimum step down about 75,000. And, entry is gonna be your helix. I'll just use the default minimum radius for the tool is gonna be half 50%, which is 0.1875. And maximum is also 0.1875. You can use the helix or you can use the man, either or doesn't matter. And then pocket parameters, it's gonna be true spiral, which is okay. And by zigzag, you can go constant overlap also, doesn't matter. Try true spiral. It's gonna start coming from inside out, like spiral. That's your toolpath, so if you run it, it's gonna go true spiral like that, slide it out. I can go ahead and verify this here. Okay, I have same problem on my this computer, guys, look at this here.
You're fired.
I don't have on my other system, I don't know why, this happened on my last part also, look at that same thing.
I'll buy that part.
Yeah, it's just graphics, I don't mind. So yeah, that's all you have to do, you have to just go and click pocket toolpath, and click all your geometry, there's gonna be 48 drive surfaces, you can say show it with color. And you can pick the containment boundary, that's what this guy right there. Yes, pull no, then we'll leave about 30,000, compensate to the center. Rough parameter, we go 75,000. And, true spiral, that's good enough. That's gonna be toolpath. Same toolpath, just look at that. Make sure you guys create a stock model after this. I will change to different tool, but let's see, I don't like this, I don't, just, get it over here. that looks, I'm gonna change this, the constant power. Constant power square is pretty much same, power square is not a big difference. Power is group and power, that's what it is, start from the inside out. From the inside out, and it's gonna go power, that's what power square is. Look at that. Two spiral, power spiral, that both works.
Mới nhớ thôi mà cái biểu điện
Cái scan.
Lúc mà em để lại cái Word của mình là sẽ để lại như
So either or, doesn't matter, guys, you're gonna use true spiral on that, or you're gonna go parallel spiral, constant overlap spiral, that should work also fine. It's gonna go equal amount constant overlap, that's what it is. It's gonna start cutting from inside out, and it's gonna go constantly equal amount overlap, that's what it is. I personally don't like this, I would just stay either with a parallel spiral or true spiral, either one. More spiral is good for your island also, let's see if that is gonna go in a more fashion. Go from inside out, and it's gonna just step over same amount each time. It seems like there's a lead in and lead out, look at that. And if you look under here, I'll go parallel, constant overlap. Yeah, so pick constant overlap parallel, that's good, guys, go for that. And after we do surface rough offset, guys, and the next two part is gonna be your 3D high-speed scallop.
Okay, scallop.
Same number of geometries and same containment boundary, then we can do 4-inch ball end for the scallop, it's gonna finish it, so if you look at the parameters, same surfaces, we have 48, contours, and we have containment boundary, that's gonna be this guy right here, and we'll stay inside that. And it's gonna cut equal scallop as a finish to 4-inch, ball end. 4-inch ball end now. Cut parameters, just cut same direction, like parameters. I'll keep this default, and that is the parameters.
Well, what's the difference between adding the stock model and running it without the stock model?
Stock model is gonna be after you finish this,
Yeah.
it just show you that how you.
Oh, what's left?
Yeah.
Okay,
So
that's-
you don't need to worry, we don't use that for this toolpath, we don't use that stock. No, it's gonna be just add on to here that how what we see here, after we finish this, that's gonna be our stock model in our toolpath over here, that's what it is.
Okay.
So what we are seeing here, you see that under your stock model. We are not using this as a stock model, just add on to that how my part is gonna look like after we've done this, that's gonna be a stock model. But when we create 3D high speed, our geometry is gonna be the same geometry our have on all of them. When you do 3D high speed scallop, so you're gonna go here. There we go. So you're gonna pick those, hit are going to be the same when it is not from the stock market.
hèn chi tôi phải đưa cái này lên cái tivi, tại vì cái này ngắn hơn, cái chân này nó dài, còn cái chân của ông này còn thấp hơn.
Okay, so that's gonna be a 3D high speed, you're gonna use 4-inch wallet.
Qua bên kia nó ngồi
And if you look at the parameters, Toolpath control is gonna be same as your boundary chain, the one containment boundary, we have that, if you want to stay inside that. Otherwise, gonna cut this surfaces also, but we want to stay inside that, that's containment boundary. And, we have past step over is going about 10,000 on that, we're doing a 4-inch ball and block. Compensate is going to the tip. Deep shallow, we don't need to worry about it. So V depth minimum 10,000, maximum depth is 750. The way you pick up the 750 depth, you just call, click on that, sorry. It was 750 pick right there.
Thành ra nó là như này.
Depth is, it should be, pick up the radius, but looking at our blueprint, the depth is minus 750 if you look at that. That is gonna be 750 depth, total depth if you look at it. That's what it is. You said minimum you're gonna go start with the 10,000, that's gonna be the top, and then maximum you're gonna go to 75 there. Even if I can turn the minimum and maximum off, it will still find out. Still working. And look at that here, it's still find that. Let's go do that. Because the surface, we already selected the surfaces, guys, of the solid faces, so we do not need to worry about that. Go to that 750 depth where we have that surface right now. There we are. This, and we'll go to this here, you want.
Là đẹp rồi.
Spoken wall and we'll bring 10,000 each step.
Làm cách nào để đẹp lên?
So this will go up to this depth, which is your 750 depth. It's maintaining the same scallop through the part. Now we can use the scallop toolpath again with a smaller handle, which is gonna be 1/8. So this 1/4 inch is gonna be our roughing tool for that. So talking about that,
Tiếp thì sao thì vẫn bị vậy.
our Z depth, even if you do not check it, guys, because when we select the surfaces right here, in our geometry, when we select those surfaces are also sitting at Z minus 750, so the machine already knows that. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
So you just do it just because you're used to it?
Yes.
And like
Just
the
wanna
safety-
make sure that depth is 750, otherwise you don't need that. Usually we don't use that depth, so this here. Right here. Like I said, you select that, it's not gonna make any difference. Just, I'm telling that maximum, don't go over 750. Okay, here, watch.
cái chạy tùm lum vậy.
What do you guys see over here? It did not
You
cut
didn't go
this,
to,
right?
you didn't go down to 750.
Because we said limited go up
Half
to
inch.
only minus half an inch. Look at that difference. In my parameters, I said maximum,
So it won't go past the
don't
half
go
inch.
past half an inch. But we want to cut the entire surfaces, so machines already picked up the surfaces is sitting at 750 deep, so you do not have to select that if you want to machine the entire surfaces. But if you want to leave some material, you want to go up to a certain depth, that's where you restrict that, hey, go up to only half an, even we selected all the surfaces, but we are restricted that go maximum. And we put minimum 10,000, that make sure it start cutting the first part, start cutting minimum 10,000. But maximum how deep you wanna go, I say go half an inch. But we want to cut the entire surface, either you put here the entire depth, which is 750, or you just uncheck it, don't even check it, don't even bother about it, because I already have my cut parameters. When I select my geometry, all my geometry is at, this one here, the bottom face is at Z minus 750, so it will cut 7. Yes, if you want to restrict that depth, that, hey, I don't want to go to 750, I want to stay above that, then you do that, otherwise you don't need to. Okay. Now we are using 3 high-speed scallop. It's the same scallop toolpath, but it says rest passes. Rest means whatever is left, rest of it, which is from 4-inch ball and mill, whatever is left, which is gonna be left right here on your radiuses here, there, and there with 4-inch ball and mill, it's gonna finish with a 1/8 end mill. So that is gonna be your 3D high-speed scallop rest. So look at this, it's the same toolpath, look at the same surfaces, same control, we're gonna have that, containment boundary. But under start, you're gonna check that. Trim to start from the roughing tool, which was how much was my diameter for this 3D high scallop? 4-inch ball end mill, right there?
Right.
0.250. So you're gonna put that, hey, whatever left from 0.250 and corner radius that 125, go and machine it. That's what that means. So that's what that tool is gonna do with 1/8 ball and mill. Whatever is left over here with 4-inch ball and mill, which was the last tool, it will machine it. That's what it was. Look at it. It's gonna just cut those fillers where you have 4-inch ball and mill left the material. There we go. So delete that one. This is, I thought, that it tries to go with this. So if I'm gonna select all these and run that, I'm gonna change my color real quick. So did we still put half an inch? We did 750, still at half an inch? Is that-
How you close that?
don't see that mark over here, you see that?
It's been gone for a while.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just do any changes,
It's just a graph.
it's a graphics, it's just,
Sao đèn ở mặt để mờ quá không? Chắc cái camera của anh bị
so that's taking up 30
Camera,
material.
camera dính trên người cũng bị cái camera máy thấy được
cái camera này
cái ngày bị đánh máy rồi.
mình xài T-Mobile mình đang nói là mình đổi nó là mình còn lấy nó
800 nó hỗ trợ mình 800 đó. 800 cho Apple, ở dưới Samsung là 1000 luôn.
bây giờ mình đang chọn cái nào là chừng 800 rồi là mình tính tiền.
Còn đâu mình góp, mình đóng tiền hết cũng vậy.
There we
Cái
are.
này mình
So now if you look at it, for in general, we have 125 stock radius left over here. And that's what we will do with one.
Bữa anh
Eight
cái
ball
Apple
and
mua
it's
Samsung
gonna
cái
be
Apple
about 62
Apple
dollars.
nó đổi nó bán, nó cho em được 300 mấy chục đồng, nó cho em luôn.
cái còn mình xài cái này Apple
Samsung
mày xài T-Mobile
rồi thì mua
tháng đó
nhà em một người 40, nhà em là family mà. Năm số
There we go. But that tool will take care of that.
family là 3 người ở đây là được rồi.
Chưa thấy sao rõ.
anh làm anh chụp cái của anh đưa lên cho rõ thôi cái này anh biết
So
rồi.
now, these two toolpaths are same. It says 3D high speed scallop, 3D high speed scallop. It's a rest passes. Becomes a rest passes. The first one, what we did, we did not pick up the stock because we are not doing roughing anything from the stock. In the second one, if you pick a stock, like we did over here, you pick a stock means you are gonna finish it from the last roughing tool. That shows as your scallop rest passes. Rest means whatever the leftover from the last one is rest. It's the same toolpath, finished toolpath. All right.
Alright, go home.
So that's that on that.
Mình click vô rồi.
All right.